Oh, give all the rustic keys to me. It's gonna spawn the void chests now that are like locked with
How
that.
do I give them to you?
Or I mean, like, don't grab them. I think I'm not sure with multiplayer actually.
Oh, my stomach hurts.
Weak. Oh, here's the last piece of glasses that you need.
Hold on.
100%.
Hold on, I'm coming.
I need to get that too. It makes my shit way better.
Where are you?
Up here, up here, up here, up here, up here.
Holy fuck.
I'm coming.
Lois, I'm coming. Where? Dealing double damage. So I just do double damage now.
Awesome. Wait, did it say that?
No.
Oh,
That's what a crit is.
sweet.
My guy is like unrecognizable. There's so much shit.
Oh, mine too. Look at me. I got like a mask and shit. Whoa! Did it get like a burst of lag for you too for a sec?
No.
The music went like for a second.
What does that do?
What?
Challenge of the mountain?
Oh yeah, that makes it more bosses and more enemies and the teleporter.
We'll be fine.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we have to adjust the teleporter before we go in, or it'll be the final boss.
What do you mean?
It said the teleporter's aligned with the moon. That means the final boss is coming up. So we can adjust the teleporter so we interact with the thing that's like the ring around it, and it won't lead us to the final boss, and we can go for another round before we hit the final boss.
Oh.
And that also
yeah.
unlocks a ton of secret shit to hit.
There's a 3D printer over here with more glasses.
You can get your 10th one. You have 9
There's something
now.
gold over here.
Something gold.
Yeah.
I'm on my way.
Offer to altar of gold.
Oh yeah. Do that. That makes it funner. I
There's
think
a red
that
circle chasing me.
that's so ominous.
It really is. I'm like, is this the thing that one hit kill me?
I don't think so.
Alright, this game is kind of fun.
Yeah.
But not really. I actually hate it. You suck.
What?
I don't know what this is. I can use my recyclable scrap on it.
What is it?
Rechargeable scrap. I don't know, but everything keeps fucking attacking me!
This? Oh, oh yeah, 100 extra health.
Nah. I don't need that.
Alright. It's so fucking crazy. Now I get the glasses.
Do you want a pair, actually? I can go get that for you.
Epic.
Let's look at all the other ones first.
You have 9.
I have 9?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. I only had 8. Well, I'll go get that then.
Epic. Get your 100% crit chance. Now I have 4.
I gotta find it again. I don't know where it is.
Oh no.
I got another missile thing.
Sweet.
While you have a shield, it hits. While you have a shield, fire missiles on every hit.
Oh, good.
That's the thing that I have, that shrimp thing.
Oh yeah.
That's what it does. Alright, I need your help. I don't know where it is.
I don't have the radar. I gave it to that drone and the drone died.
Oh my god. I found an energy drink thing here.
Sweet.
Forget what that does.
25% sprint speed.
Oh. Well, I already sprint really fast.
Yeah. But is it game breaking
Glasses.
fast?
What?
But is it game breaking fast?
What? It didn't take my scrap.
Oh, you probably have multiple.
No. It took something else.
Oh, it was only for green items.
Oh. Well, then I might as well go get that green item.
Yeah.
No. Man, I really wish I had kept those wings.
Yeah. All I have right now is a recycler.
No! Did you see me just roll off?
Yeah.
I don't know how to stop that. How do I sprint without doing the roll every 3 seconds?
Isn't your roll the ability?
Yeah.
Oh, probably shift. I don't know, I'm on controller, so.
I hate this game.
What happened?
So I used my scrap on that thing, you know? It's really cool. It threw it off the cliff.
What? Oh.
Yeah, so I didn't actually. Oh, wait, no, there it is. It is
Oh.
in my inventory. What the fuck?
That's weird.
I got another steak.
You want to do the secret challenge?
Kinda, yeah.
Alright, it's down here.
How hard is it?
Not really. It's pretty easy, actually.
Especially what we have.
Yeah, especially with how overpowered we are. And it's more enemies, so...
Where are you?
Over here. Down this
Just
hole.
down.
Now, I will have to look up... Or actually, there's one right here. It's not one... that we're using, but we can do this.
Open terminal? What is that? What the fuck? What the fuck happened?
I just see you getting tossed around. Oh,
Did you
you're
do
fighting
that?
you're fighting one of those things, I see. I'm coming to save you, buddy.
How are you gonna make me fight something that big and it not drop anything?
Yeah.
So just do this, right? This thing?
What? Oh no, over here. You'll know it's like giant thing. I don't know which one it's gonna be. It could be the one where yeah. There's a lot of random effects. Here,
Well,
just
I don't like the effect where it just fucking like throws me off the map. That was really bullshit.
yeah. It's down here.
Hold on.
Alright, let's see what one this one is.
I'm running away. Oh, it's over there. Ah!
Yeah.
Just one hit kill me again.
You go in.
Oh. Why didn't you tell me that before?
I don't know which rune this is, or which artifact, but whatever artifact it is, it'll be active while we're in.
Which is...
Oh.
I'm gonna jump off.
There's like tons of them. It activates as soon as I activate it.
What is that? No, I want it. Oh, it's an artifact key.
Yeah. You are to start a battle.
Hold on. There's a red item over here. Oh no, it took my... Cheat death consumed on use. But I want my disc back!
I feel that yoo-hoo brewing inside. I'm gonna take one final piss before I start it.
Well, I lost my disc for nothing.
Oh, what's that best friend thing do?
It makes it to where whenever I get, like, whenever I die, I cheat death, but it consumes it on use.
Oh.
So, I mean, I guess it's okay, but if you're in a situation, if I'm in a situation where I die like that, there's a good chance you're just gonna die again.
Yeah. Alright.
Oh, I fell off.
You're fine. Alright, it's time to start the challenge.
Oh, I'm scared.
Whenever I start it, while we're fighting off a ton of shit, you have to find another artifact key and bring it to this.
Found a mocha.
Epic.
I don't see the other key.
It'll spawn in after a bit.
Found it. And where do I do it?
Just bring it over to the big glowing orb and press X, or press interact.
Ah! Ah! Hey, are rainbow items any good?
Rainbow items? What do you
No, I'm
mean?
just kidding.
I was gonna say, like, what? There's a ton of shit in this game. It could happen.
No, I want to get those. Please let me get those. I'm trying to get those,
What?
but I can't get up there.
What, the steak? Oh, no. Oh, I see. They're combined.
Please, it won't let me up there!
Shit's crazy.
How am I supposed to get up there?
You could, like, jump on this
No, I
and then...
can't. Because whenever I fucking sprint, I have to roll to sprint, and for a whole 2 seconds after I roll, I can't jump.
Alright.
Is it even still there?
What? Oh no, I grabbed it, so you didn't seem to be
What?
able to get it.
I love pitfalls, dude.
It's fine, it doesn't really kill you in this.
Still, it's fucking annoying.
Yeah.
I just picked up another fucking guitar. We won!
We won, the artifact is unsealed.
We won!
We won!
Trial of honor? Doesn't seem very honorable. You stole my fucking item. My good item. And you replaced it with trash. You know how fucking good that disc was?
The disc?
Jesus.
Oh,
The
yeah,
disc, it
that.
took my disc.
Yeah.
I'm
Alright,
still
you
pissed about that.
You can get up over on this. There's a thing here.
I just it just kicks me from the game.
Oh no.
It doesn't quite know what to do. So when do we start getting red items?
That's just random chance.
That's no
I do
fair.
think it kind of increases later on, but
I'm pissed.
I have 4 extra jumps now.
I have no extra jumps.
Oh yeah, you should. Alright, if I see another feather, I'll let you have it.
Oh, we forgot about the keys.
Oh yeah.
Isn't there a grappling hook?
Grappling hook. I don't.
Or is that one of the
think there is.
characters?
That's probably a character.
Cool, I like getting frozen by things that aren't there. More gas! Oh my god, I'm coming! Oh, I'm coming!
Oh, you got another one?
I got another gasoline and another ignition tank.
Oh, sweet.
And enemies ignite each other, by the way.
Sweet.
So, like, they'll explode and ignite others.
Yeah.
Feather.
Really is a heinous combo.
Jade elephant. Massive armor, I'm good. I can tank hits, no problem.
Yeah.
What is this?
Well,
There's something over here, I bet you can do something with it.
what you looking at?
This thing.
A wooga! This is mine before you scream. Uh-oh. I'll get whatever this is.
What?
It
What
corrupt.
was
It corrupts all my lens maker's glasses, but
What?
0.5% chance to instantly kill any enemy. So that stacks up enough. I'm set.
Why didn't you give that to me? I'm the one with all the lenses.
Oh yeah. I didn't know what it did.
No! No! Don't take the gas!
Okay, okay. It's just insane now.
It's just chaos.
Alright, at the end, the final boss, he steals all your items at one part.
We're just fucked.
Surprisingly, he can't use him. You beat the items out of him.
So you just have to, like, be a big enough level, I guess.
Not really, it's kind of easy. He does some cool moves, but yeah. Not too tough.
Don't dash on me! What's this over here? Did you hear what I said?
No, what happened?
Don't fucking dash on me.
What happened?
You just send me flying.
I just kick you in the back of the head.
Straight up.
Oh, dude, you see me? Hold on, let me do it again.
Hold on. I'm busy trying to farm items. I got more regenerating scrap.
Oh, yes. Well, you're jealous that I can fly like this.
I got more shades. So now I have 11 of them? I don't know how that works.
It's a mystery. Double critical or something.
Steak. So like if you really wanted to, you could just grind indefinitely.
Pretty much.
No! That was mine!
You know, I got the Samarang. Which kinda sucks.
I still have my, I finally got another Huntress harpoon.
Rad. What's that do again?
Every time I kill an enemy, I get a huge burst of speed.
Oh yeah.
God damn, are you seeing how fast I'm killing these golems?
Yeah, we're both killing them
That's
real
my
fast.
primary though.
Yeah, I'm using my Pimrari too.
Yeah, but I have little pistols.
Shit.
Because I got the, another one of those fucking like soldier serum shit. Look how fast I shoot. This is unbuffed.
Oh my god.
This is buffed. This is with Fury.
Jesus. Oh, whenever you activate Fury, Frenzy.
It goes on you too, I know.
Yeah. Oh, Feather over here.
Where?
Here.